Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and this is my heavy-duty upholstery stapler. I purchased this stapler because I saw some videos where women were upholstering their own furniture at home. So I wanted to give it a try, and I purchased this stapler and some fabric. What I love about this stapler is that it was easy to use. I'm a newbie when it comes to this stuff, so I had no idea what I was doing, but this was easy to figure out. It came with several different types of staplers, and I use this heavy duty one, but it also came with some U-shaped staplers and some nails and also some pins in here. So it comes with several different ways to upholster your furniture. It comes with a safety latch. You simply open that latch if you want to go ahead and use the gun. And then if you want to go ahead and insert staples, I would just close the latch up, and then I would open this back here and then insert my staples in here. So I found it to be really easy to work with. If you're looking for a staple gun to maybe upholster some of your furniture, I think this is a really good one. And that's my point of view.